Hello friends, it is IAS Kannada Vaini. I welcome you for the IAS 2020 preliminary examination. For your information, today we have started ancient, medieval and modern Indian history, question on those things. So today's question is on Indus Valley. Consider the following statements on Indus Valley civilization. The first statement is the Lothal dockyard is connected through a channel to the Bogavo River. Second statement, at Dolvira, the stone was never used in the construction of dwellings. Naturally, we are supposed to find out which of the above statements are correct. First statement, second statement, both are correct and both are incorrect. Coming to the answer, before telling the answer, I will explain some of the things about the Indus Valley civilization. Actually, this is one of the oldest civilization in the world, probably from 2750 BC to 1700 BC. That is the time period of the Indus Valley civilization. And more than like 30 to 35 sites were discovered both in India and Pakistan, mainly in the northwest frontier, northwestern part of India as well as like the central part of Pakistan. And major sites are found mainly on the banks of the Indus River. That's why it is called Indus Valley civilization. It is also known as Harappan civilization. Then coming to the answer, the only statement A is correct. That is Lothal dockyard is connected through a channel to Bogavo River is correct, whereas second statement is wrong. The thing about the second statement is at Dolvira, definitely the stone as well as mud and dung, all these things were used, that is in the construction of the dwellings, and they are rounded structures with conical roof. The important point to be noted is the city structure, mainly urban structure, drainage and dwelling are of a scientific nature and also well connected drainage, well connected, you can say like the other features of the urban dwellings is the important feature of the Indus Valley civilization. Then coming to the seals in the Indus Valley, seals were very popular. More than 1200 seals have been discovered at Mohenjo-daro alone. Forget about Harappan and other things, Dolvira, Ranpur, Kodiji, etc. The most remarkable one, that is Pashupati seal depicting Shiva seated on a stool flanked by an elephant, tiger, rhinoceros and buffalo. We can understand from this point is we can draw the conclusion that all these animals were familiar to the Indus people. That is elephant, tiger, rhinoceros and you can say like buffalo. And also that is the building material wise, that is building materials in Indus wise, lime was combined with sand and water. So once the lime was combined with the water and sand, then it will become a fine mortar for binding the bricks as well as stone together. Gypsum and lime mortar were used in the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro, and also that pure lime plaster also occur at Mohenjo-daro. Both occur in Mohenjo-daro. So this is how the scientifically, you can select the bent of mind, scientific bent of mind, technically somewhat like upgraded view, and their knowledge is acknowledged throughout the world. So that is the, you can select important feature or unique feature of the Indus civilization. So for this question, answer is A. Only first statement is correct.